Hello everyone! Today I want to show you the 4-7-8 breathing technique by Dr. Weil. This technique can easily help you when you're feeling very stressed, or even can help you fall asleep a lot easier. So I will demonstrate this with you. It's a nice little tip. You can do it either before you want to go into meditation or even after some physical activity where you can relax your body and then enter into that meditative state. So let's try this together. I will show it for you for about 1 minute. We'll do it together, and then you can feel free to carry on by yourself for maybe 10 to 20 minutes. So what we will do is sit comfortably, either on the floor or anywhere you feel that is more relaxing for you, with a nice tall back. You can choose to close your eyes or keep them open, whatever is more comfortable to you. Just relax your hands, and we'll start with inhaling for 4 counts, holding our breath for 7, and exhaling for 8. So let's do this. So inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, inhale. So you can continue again as long as you feel like you need to. Thank you very much. I hope you found this tip very helpful, and see you.